Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply for overdraft protection on Scotiabank. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for account details. Click on Account Details. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Additional Services. Under Additional Services tab, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Add or increase your overdraft on this account. Then you will see an option for Apply Now. Click on Apply Now. Now on this page. First, select the account. Since we only have one Scotiabank account, we just chose that. Next, choose your plan. You could choose from two options, Pay-Per-Use Overdraft Protection Plan and Monthly Overdraft Protection Plan. If you choose Pay-Per-Use Overdraft Protection Plan, the $5 fee will be applied on the same day or within 2 business days every time an overdraft is created or increased in your account. While the Monthly Overdraft Protection Plan, you will pay a $5 fee every month regardless of the number of overdraft transactions, as long as the overdrawn balance is within the overdraft limit. After that, click on Continue. Now, enter your address information. Also, review your contact information. If you wish to make changes, click on Edit. On the bottom page, select your employment status. Then enter your income and expense information. Once entered, click on Continue. Here, review all the information. Scroll down a little and you will see a section for acknowledgement. After reading, click on the tick box. Lastly, read the terms and conditions. After reading, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms and consent to receive disclosure. Then click on Confirm. That's how you apply for overdraft protection on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.